That is commonly called knee elbow escape from under mount. Okay, and you're sliding your hips back to the other side. We were doing half guard for review, right? But you definitely recover your closed guard, open guard, valley tudo, whatever you want, butterfly sometimes, right? So you can get your guard back with that easily. Let's think about a knee elbow from under side mount. Okay, because you can do a lot of the same escapes from mount, and there are shared movements, right? Now here is where what we commonly see, do head arm, is this, right? And I'm going to step out, right? I get my leg in here, like my shin is in, and my knee is between his knees. And then, and you can even hold on to me a little bit, but watch my head. Even if I don't get my leg all the way through for guard, I can butterfly and go here, but bring your elbow over to my ear, cross side. Every time I'm gonna get my knee in, right? But every time I try and do what I just did and get my head away, I want you to just kind of pinch with your elbow. Okay? So when he's doing that, he's telling me which way to go. This way. So I'm gonna shuffle my hips up underneath and then look here. Boom. Now watch. I'm going to pendulum sweep. Because he has no base. I'm not gonna stay there, I'm immediately switching to this. If he tries to, because he has both of his arms on one side, if he tries to come back over, it works even better. Okay? So this is, there's 4 ways you can wedge with your hands inside mount. We talked about the first one, I can get my head away so I can maybe recover guard with more ease, okay? So, however, even if I get that, he's not letting me get that next step of that guard recovery we just talked about. So watch, my hips are gonna go underneath his hips. I'm in front of his hips right now, okay? Now look, here. I'm not as worried about that on this, but just like we've been doing that grapevine defense, palm up, okay? If I go like this as a habit, he can put a hand back in. He doesn't really have a hand to put back in, but still, it's just a good habit. Look, he has no base as I'm coming up, so I find the sweep before he finds his base. Go one more time. And this one, he'll be finding his base a little easier, okay? So get here. I can't move any further. Hips under, right? Get in here. He starts finding his base, right? Start trying to come over. That's with a little bit of stress or pressure or whatever, right? Let him get up to his knees and then try and go back over to the side. And then, oh, okay, just open your guard and scissor the hips, okay? Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, knee elbow from underneath cross side. 1, 2.